Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a widget on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do, you have to make sure that you are in a home screen. And whenever you are in a home screen, you just need to click the blank space here for a couple seconds until the application is start moving and shaking. Whenever it's moving and shaking, you just need to see that in the left upper corner there is a plus button. You just need to click it, and now you have an access to choose a widget that you can add into your home screen. For example, you want to add a YouTube. You just need to go click it, and after that you just need to go which widget that you want to add to into your home screen. Whenever you find it, you just need to go click add widgets, and you just need to adjust in the positions too where you want to put this widget. You just need to go click and hold, then drag it into the specific part that you want to put the widgets on your home screen. So whenever you're done adjusting the position, just go click done, and that's all. So if you find that this tutorial today is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.